have fallen hard upon the thirsty ground, and carved a way to where the wild and rushing river can be found. And like the rains, I have been carried here to where the river flows. Yeah. My heart is racing and my knees are weak as I walk to the edge. I know there is no turning back. Once my feet have left the ledge, and in the rush I hear a voice. It's telling me it's time to take the leap of faith. So here I go. I'm diving in, I'm going deep. Head over my head, I wanna be caught in the rush, lost in the flow. Head over my head, I wanna go. The river's deep, the river's wide, the river's water is alive. So sink or swim, I'm diving in. There is a supernatural power in this mighty river.